guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm kind of doing a bit of a different meal planning than I typically do. I wanted to go through my freezer and clear out all the meat because it's that time of the year where I'm that time that I'm kind of coming down to just odds and ends, and I just want to use up everything that's in the freezer before I restock it. So I'm gonna go through my freezer and pick out, see what I have, make a list, and then do a meal plan from that list. I only need about 19 dinners to come up with. Hopefully I'll have enough before I have to go buy any. So here is my list, and here is my deep freezer. Don't get alarmed, it's not the most organized space, but if you have any ideas on how to organize this, let me know down below because I'm at a loss. All the meat that's there, and I'm just gonna try and make the menu based on that. I have actually decided to go through my stand-up freezer too, which needs to be cleaned out and defrosted. So I saw that I had some fresh sausages still and some other barbecue meat and some cabbage rolls that need to be used up. These are just some apps, so we plan for an app plate. And then I also have some fresh lasagna noodles, which I could make lasagna with all the ground meat that I have. So I think that's it. I don't have any broth left. And yeah, so, and I'm also going to have a look at the daycare freezer to see what's in here. And I unfortunately don't have anything left in here, so that's ready to be restocked as well. Alright, so now I'm gonna start the meal plan. So here's what I did so far. Here is the list of the meat, and then I just went down and looked at my calendar and wrote out all the dinners that I need, and then I'm just writing down which ones are the weekends, and because usually the cooking is a little bit different for the weekends. So I'm gonna keep on going, and I'll show you once I'm done. Daycare lunches as well, based on the meat that I have left over. And so here is like some soup. I do feel like we have a lot of pork, but I do have to use it up. Oh, there it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're new, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and press that bell notification button. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a wonderful day.